Chapter 1. Chetak, the Marwadi horse. A very small village called Khod, near present Chotala in Saurashtra region of Gujarat state, had the tribe of the Danti Charans. They used to travel all over Gujarat and Rajasthan and do business of selling horses to large kingdoms. When they heard of the Maharana Pratap's fighting with Delhi Sultanate, they selected two lovely calls from Kathiawar, one named Natak and the other Chetak. They took them to Chittor and saw the Maharana personally to gift him both the horses. Maharana accepted the gift of the Chetak. Chetak was submissive only to King Maharana Pratap Singh. The famous battle of Haldighati was between Maharana Pratap Singh leading the forces of Mewar and the Mughal army led by Emperor Akbar's general Man Singh. It lasted for 4 hours on 21st June 1576. Maharana Pratap Singh was on his favourite, faithful and obedient horse Chetak. In 1576, the Mughal Emperor Akbar started the journey to capture Udaipur. Hearing this, Maharana Pratap and his men waited at the entry to a 1-kilometer narrow, long pass in the Aravalli mountain ranges. This pass, known as the Haldighati, was the only access to Mewar region for the proceeding Mughal army. During the war, Chetak was made to wear a baby elephant's mask to confuse the elephants of the enemy. The Mughal army was numerically superior, while the morale of Maharana Pratap's men was at its peak. It was a fierce battle, and in that short period Pratap personally attacked Man Singh. Chetak placed his hooves on the trunk of Man Singh's elephant. Pratap threw his lance at Man Singh. Unfortunately, it missed the mark and killed the elephant driver instead. During the battle, at one moment an elephant's tusk tore through one of the Chetak's rear legs, which crippled and immobilized Chetak. Even after being hurt, Chetak did not give up and with his king on the saddle, made his way back to safely on just 3 legs. Man Singh soon retreated from the scene. However, Mughal army and their artillery succeeded in surrounding Pratap. The brave horse, Chetak, was injured badly while Pratap was trying to attack Man Singh. Despite bleeding profusely, sensing his master in danger, he rode him to safety. Though the Mughal soldiers were chasing them, the brave horse labored on and managed to give the enemies a slip and took a final leap over a small brook few kilometers away from the battlefield. There the brave and mighty horse collapsed and breathed his last. Chetak Samadhi is located at that spot. The mausoleum of Chetak, the brave horse of Maharana Pratap Singh who fought valiantly in the battle of Haldighati, is at Rajasmand district of Rajasthan. Whenever there is a talk about Udaipur, people do not remember the defeat of Maharana Pratap but the courage and loyalty of his men and his horse Chetak. The bravery and resilience of this stallion is sung in ballads and written in several stories. The mention of Chetak is found in the historical records from 17th century onwards.